Welcome to CALIGO. In this video, we'll cover how to evaluate measuring data for selected features, evaluate an entire inspection plan, navigate in the CNC Start window, view the inspection results on a PiWeb report. If you want to try Zeiss CALIGO, take a look at the description below. There, you'll find links to download the software, request a free trial, and download training data. Now that we have gotten that out of the way, let's hop in the software. Let's begin by opening up the CALIGO training session that was included in the training data for the starter guide. We'll start by looking at how to evaluate measuring data for selected features from the Measurement Plan Explorer. If you open any of the sub-plan branches in the program, you can see that there is measuring data for each of the features from an existing measurement, but the features have yet to be fully evaluated. The yellow icon to the left of the feature name indicates that the feature is nominally valid, but the actual values have not been calculated. The gear icon to the right of the feature name indicates that there is existing measurement data for the feature. Typically, if a feature has both icons, the actual values for this feature can be calculated by evaluating the feature. To evaluate the feature, right-click on it and select Evaluate from the context menu. You will notice that the status icon turned green, indicating that the feature has been fully evaluated. Then, moving over to the CAD view, the actual values are now shown in the banner for the feature. You can do this for multiple features at the same time, too. Selecting multiple features can be done by holding Ctrl and left-clicking on individual features, or holding Shift and left-clicking on the first feature and last feature that are listed sequentially. Then, right-click on one of the selected features and select Evaluate. You see that all the feature status icons changed from yellow to green, indicating that we have fully evaluated the features. Now, let's look at how to evaluate an entire measurement plan by using the CNC Start menu. To open the CNC Start window for evaluating the inspection plan, you will want to navigate to the main toolbar and select the Evaluate icon, which is the play button without the probe. It can also be opened by selecting Evaluate from the Run drop-down menu above the main toolbar. The CNC Start window is the main hub for defining how the measurement run should be executed or evaluated. Some examples of what you can define here are: which of the currently existing measurement data will be deleted before evaluating the measurement plan? Which features are to be evaluated? CALIGO's behavior if an error occurs. For more information on settings in the CNC Start window, be sure to check out the next video on executing measuring data in a CALIGO session. But for now, we'll move the sliding bar to Measurement Plan to evaluate all the features in the measurement plan. Then, click OK to confirm. All the status icons turned green, meaning that all the features were successfully evaluated. We can quickly view the results of the measurement run on a PiWeb report by opening the PiWeb reporting wizard, either by clicking the PiWeb icon in the main toolbar or selecting it from the View drop-down menu above the main toolbar. Then select the report template, Demo Report, from the PiWeb reporting wizard and click Preview to open the report in PiWeb Monitor. We can cycle through the report using the navigation arrows at the top of the window to view the results and locations of all the features in the measurement plan. Now, let's look into how to set up the report to display at the end of every measurement run. Opening the CNC Start window by selecting the Evaluate button on the main toolbar. Next, tick the box for Reporting and open the branch for it by clicking the plus sign. Tick the box for PiWeb Reporting to enable the output of PiWeb reports at the end of a run. Then, highlight PiWeb Reporting to display all the available report templates in the right pane of the CNC window. Find the demo report template and right-click on it and select Show Output. Now that's set up, all you need to do is click OK to reevaluate the measurement plan for it to output the report. This report will now display every time the measurement plan is ran from the CNC Start window. That will bring us to the end of this video. Be sure to check out Executing Measuring Data in a CALIGO session, where we look at running this measurement plan in simulation. And if you're looking for a more comprehensive training, check out the Zeiss CALIGO Basic Training. You'll find the link in the description below.